Welcome back to another video here at Volkswagen of Puyallup. My name is Max Norcross. I'm a sales and leasing consultant here. And today we're going to talk about the break-in period for your brand new Volkswagen, all right? So the break-in period with your brand new Volkswagen, what is it and what should you do? Here's a couple tips that we have for you to be able to get your engine and your brakes to adapt to your driving style. So after buying your new Volkswagen, you're now in the break-in period, which is about 500 to 1,000 miles. Now during this period, what we recommend is that you smooth drive it for it to warm up to everything. So don't fast accelerate, don't hard brake unless you have to. If there's an event of a crash that's happening in front of you, or if you're trying to avoid a crash, obviously hard brake, we don't want your life in danger. But if you can, try to not brake so hard, not accelerate very fast, and if you have a towing capacity vehicle, we recommend that in that first 500 to 1,000 miles that you do not tow something on the back of the car. In those first 500 to 1,000 miles, those are our recommendations, is to just baby the vehicle so that everything can kind of adjust from the factory to the street. Now, after the 500 to 1,000 miles of that break-in period, when I talked about towing before, go ahead, tow a boat, tow a trailer, hard brake if you need to, and hard accelerate if you'd like, because now your vehicle has been broken in and everything should be A-okay.